Class 8 Algebra Exercise 1D. Here in this chapter we have to add the numbers 2 root 3 minus 5 root 2. We have to add root 3. The first thing which you have to keep in mind that the numbers should be in order. If here it is root 3, here also it should be root 3. Root 3 plus 2 root 2. If nothing is here, you have to consider it as 1. So 2 plus 1, 3, root 3 as it was. 5 minus 5 plus 2, that is minus 3. Root 2 as it is. We can find something common in these two. What is that? That is 3. So root 3 minus 2, this is your final answer. Same way, question number 2. 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 minus 7 root 5. We have to add it. Then what to keep in our mind? That root 2 just beside or below this, it should be written as root 2. So minus root 2 plus root 3 plus root 5. 2 minus 1, that is 1. So only root 2. If you want to write 1, you can write it. 5 plus 3, 8. Root 3 minus 7 plus 1, that is minus 6. Root 5. Same way here. Question number 3. 2 by 3 root 7 minus 1 by 2 root 2 plus 6 root 11. As it is written, we have to write in same way. Now how to add these two? 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 here. 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3. Take LCM first of all. Add it. What we got? 1. So 1 root 7. Here also same condition. Minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Here also I have solved. I got my answer as 1. 6 minus 1, that is 5. Now second number is to multiply. How to multiply these numbers? Number will be multiplied by the numbers. Root will be multiplied by root. So 5, 3 2s are 6. Root 5, that is root 25. And as we know, 25 root is of 5. So 6 5s are 30. Here also 6 4s are 24. 15 3s are 45. We can factorize it. Whatever number comes out common, we have to take it out, and the rest is your answer. Rest number you can solve by yourself. Now question number 3, divide. Same process we have to follow here for division. Number will be divided by the number. Root will be divided by root. 4 root 6 by 4 root 2. 4 4 is 16, 2 3 is 6. Here also you can see 18 root 21 divided by 6 root 7. 6 3 is 18, 7 3 is 21. So 3 root 3, that is your answer. Now question number 4. Simplify. A minus B, A plus B. See here, A minus B, A plus B. That is the formula of A square minus B square. So 3 square minus root 11 square. 3 square, that is 9. Root 11, that is 11. Your answer is minus 2. Here, A minus B whole square. A minus B whole square, A square plus B square minus 2AB. A square plus B square minus 2AB. Root 3 is 3, root 3 is 3, 3 2 is 6 root 3, 6 plus 9 plus 3, that is 12, minus 6 root 3. Here, what we have to do? 5 multiplied by both the numbers, root 7 multiplied by both the numbers. 5 2s are 10, 5 root 5, 2 root 7, 7 5s are 35, and this is your answer. Here same condition. Root 5 multiplied by both the numbers. minus root 2 multiplied by both the numbers. 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 2 2s are root 2, because 2 root 2s means 1 2. Minus minus plus, 3 2s are 6. Same way here in question number 5 also we can find it out. 3 plus root 3 and 2 plus root 2 ka whole square. And here, as we have studied earlier itself, that a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So here, as I have written, this we have changed. A square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 is 4, this is 2, and this is 4 root 2. 4 plus 2 6. Again now same condition. This 3 multiplied by both number, root 3 multiplied by both number. 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 4 3s are 12 root 2, 6 root 3 and 4 root 6. Here question number 6. I have applied that same formula. 5 a plus b a minus b. A plus b a minus b, that is a square minus b square. 5 square is 25, 5 is 5. If you subtract, you will get 20. If the number is not in root, that means that is rational. Root 3 plus 2 whole square. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab. What formula? That same formula we have to apply here. A square plus b square plus 2ab. Root 3 is 3, 2, 4. 2 2 is a 4 root 3. 4 plus 3 7, 4 root 3. This is rational. This is also rational. But this one is irrational because it is under root. That is why full statement, full question will be termed as irrational number. Here question number 3. 2 root 13, 3 root 52 minus 4 root 117. This so we can break it. Here this also we can break. And as we have studied that if the two numbers are there, one we can take it out common. If 2 3s are there, 1 3 we can take it out common. So 2 root 13, that is on top. 3 2s are 6, 4 3s are 12. And as we know, if both the numbers are same, we can subtract it. 12 minus 6, that is minus 6. Root 13, so we can cancel. So at last I got minus 1 by 3. Root is not available. That means we can tell that this is a rational number. Same condition here in question number 4. 8, that means 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 4 is here. 32. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. It is 16, 16 2s are 32. Minus 6 root 2. Common, so we can take it out. 2 root means 2 root 2. 2 2s we can take it out common. Whatever the numbers are left. 4 2s are 8, 2s are 16. These two we have to add. 16 plus 2, that is 18 root 2 and minus 6. We got 12 root 2. This is rational, but this one is irrational because it is under root. So it will be termed as irrational number. Same way question number 7. 5 plus root 11, 5 minus root 11. That is a plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. 5 square minus 11, 25 minus 11, that is 14. What is the moral here? To help the poor and the needy and to make the desperate the children happy. Question number 8. We have to simplify. It's very simple. 3 root 45 minus 125 root 200 minus root 50. 45, break each and every number. That means we have to factorize it. After factorization, we can find out common, whatever the numbers are there. At last, whatever you got, we have to find out common. Root 5. That means both of them are from same category. 9 minus 5, that is 4. Root 2, same category. 10 minus 5, that is 5. Root 2. Here also we can see it is in under root. So whatever the numbers can be cut, we can easily cancel those numbers. At last we got our this answer. 3 is here, that means we have to take LCM from all the 3 numbers. So 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9 and root 5 as it is. This and this we have to add. 6 plus 1, that is 7, minus 9 root 5. If you subtract, you will get this is as your final answer. Same way question number 3. Numbers were given here. Here I have factorized. Common numbers, take out common. In each and every place you will find root 2. That means these 2 though we have to add because both of them are addition, and this 3 we have to subtract. 26 minus 3, that is 23 root